Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on SOS Limited. That's ticker symbol SOS. We talked about this stock a few times on the channel, so we're not gonna go too much in detail. We're not going to bring up any charts on the screen. We're going to basically be doing a brief summary over it, giving y'all some reassurance, letting y'all know what to expect on today for the long term, short term, entry points and exit points. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. So today we opened up at 757. The high was 759. The low was 702. The 52-week high was 1588. The 52-week low was 69 cents. So right now, at this time of this recording, we're trading at about $7.07. So I had told y'all to be prepared for a little pullback. I told y'all we got a nice solid support. We had a nice solid support around 750. 750 have gotten broken. That support has been broken. So now we're looking for our next support. Our next support on the chart, guys, is right around where we at right now. Around is really 698. The key support level is 698. We could pull our way back and touch the high sixes before we see a nice spike up. If we don't hold 698, the low sevens, if we don't hold this support right where we at, we could possibly see 666, around 666 and 670 before we see a nice push back up. And then I told y'all we had a resistance around $8.17. At $8.17, that's a resistance. We having a little rough time pushing through that $8.17. As soon as we push through that $8.17, we going straight to $10 plus. I told you this stock is being heavily manipulated. It runs off of Bitcoin. Bitcoin go up, it goes up. Bitcoin go down, it goes down. But as we can see, Bitcoin is now trading at $57,119. Bitcoin hasn't moved haven't moved too much. It's been consolidating, staying in this nice little price range in between $55,000 and $59,000, staying in the 50s. So in that case, with that being said, with Bitcoin being at around $57,000 right now, SOS should be trading at least $10 to $11 right now. So the stock price in SOS is being manipulated, and we also know SOS is working. They working, coming up with more mining equipment to mine more Bitcoins. So they already have 5,000. They trying to get 5,000 more. So also keep that in mind. And right now, you know, Bitcoin is holding up steadily. I had to go check that out because once I seen the decline in SOS, I was like, Bitcoin must be falling. But Bitcoin isn't falling. It's holding right there. I told y'all Bitcoin got a resistance around $57,000. It had that resistance, but it broke through 57, went to 59, and once it got to 59, we having a tough time getting back to that 60,000 mark. So that's something to be, careful of, because I told y'all this thing is very volatile. Bitcoin can have swings of $5,000-$10,000 in one day. It can up 5K in one day, and it can most definitely lose its value of 5, 10, 15K in a single day. And especially since Bitcoin ran up so much so quickly, it can actually lose way more than 5 to 10 to 15 grand a day. This thing can drop drastically. So you want to be aware of that. I always want to keep y'all safe and prepare for downside potential. So Bitcoin is looking good though right now, guys. We right here at that 57K mark. That's right where around resistance. We had a new resistance around 59,000, but we doubled down. We had a breakdown instead of a break up, and now we right here at that resistance again around $57,000. So SOS should be up right now, but the stock is being heavily manipulated. I just want to bring this to y'all's attention and let y'all know that we're still bullish on SOS. Just be, don't get shooken out by the weak. Don't get shooken out by the market makers. Don't have weak hands, because they will pull your stop losses. If you got stop losses, they will bring the price down to trigger your stop losses and put you up out of here. So you already know, and I always told y'all how to play these things. If you bought in, weighed in at the top, know how to get rid of half of your position or sell 75% of your position, and then buy back in towards the bottom to bring your average cost down. You already know how we do. So that's all I got for y'all this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on SOS, and We post this type of content every single day. Consider joining the family. And we out, y'all. God bless. I love y'all.